Thanks for checking out my videos. Got another nitro video for you today. This is my HSP 94122. That's the flying fish. The latest video I had a buggy body on it just for a road basher setup, along with these rally wheels and tires just to give it a little bit more clearance and meat on the tires for impact. This guy is my VRX RH1003 touring car with the Force 1.8 engine. This one has the CXP 0.18 engine, 2-speed, single speed. I do like the build on the VRX a little bit more cleaner. I have not installed the 2-speed on this yet, but I'm gonna get a running video on each of these just for you guys to check out, and I'm really enjoying it. I did pick up these spare bodies because I did not want to chop up the stock ones that came with it, but I did go ahead and cut vents and access to get to the fuel tank and also to the engine and pull starter, so I won't have to keep pulling these things on and off. And you know, I'll cut the opening for the exhaust. It is pretty close to the inside, so we'll see if this melts or if it has any issues. I think this one will be pretty solid. Have the bottom cut and the exhaust facing down. But I'm loving nitro. Both of these are awesome. I don't think you can go wrong with either of them. But these are the latest bodies I threw on just for road bashing and to beat on. But hope you enjoy.